Hey guys, welcome to my show Ennoku, and today we're gonna make French toast. Bombay toast. Read the title. of the- Now to be fair, though this video tells that don't call this French toast, it's a derivative of French toast. But they aren't the same. They aren't the same.
French desserts are a bit strict to the recipe and they require a bit of finesse, though French toast may seem to be an exception.
As usual, when it comes to Indian recipes, you can do whatever you want.
Well, actually no, but let's think so.
And it's quite much the same thing when it comes to Bombay toast. It's quite easy to make. The food part requires a bit of skill. That's it. Which you are going to get after watching this video, obviously. So now let's see the recipe. But first of all, like and subscribe button. It's free. Subscribe button.
First up, the ingredients. First you need bread. In case you don't know, we are making toast. Then 2 tablespoons of butter and about a cup of milk. Then a banana, 1 cup of sugar, few grapes, confectioner's sugar, and some flowers maybe. Yes, edible ones. First you need an apple. To focus the camera. Oh. Take the banana and peel it. In case you don't know that, you should maybe peel the banana before eating. Okay. Then slice the banana into rounds and keep aside. To a non-stick pan, put 1 cup of sugar and half a cup of water. Now turn the heat up and wait till sugar dissolves. After sugar dissolves completely, just crank the heat up to the top. I'm using a metal spoon here. That was a mistake. Now after this starts bubbling, just stop stirring and let it become brown. Now when this becomes brown, throw in the bananas. Then lower the heat. Throw in a spoonful of butter and stir gently. After a while, it should come to a honey-like consistency. Turn off the heat and pour it to a bowl. Unless you want caramel to stay on your non-stick pan or whatever. Now to the bread. First up, butter the bread on both sides. Huh? Huh?
It's me, the little bread. Sent by Yazeth. He's keeping my family under hostage until he gets 1,000 subscribers. I don't know what my family has to do with it. And he's very mean and just heat this butter on me. You, the smell. Please subscribe so he releases my family. Please. Here he comes. I didn't say you anything, okay? Please. Shh.
Now pour in some milk and stir in some sugar. You seem worried did something, someone say something? No, right? Either way, back to the recipe. Now heat up a pan and throw in some butter in it. Now toss in the bread to toast the bread. Throw in 6 tablespoons of milk onto the bread. Turn over the little bread, the slice of bread in a few minutes. Oops. After a few minutes, take it off the heat. Then simply repeat. I mean, you can't just simply go one slice of bread either, right? Now, after this much of explanation, you may ask,
Isn't that precious?
no, because Bombay is here and France is here. Logic. Like this video if you agree. Well, if you disagree, still like. That's it.
now for the plain part. After laying down the bread, put some caramelized bananas over it. Well, don't forget to pour in some caramel. That's the delicious part of the dish. And instead of grapes, you may even use apples here. And some flowers over it. And a touch of honey. Then sprinkle of some confectionery sugar. Now, professional chef in a professional kitchen with professional equipment would have used this or this, which I'm not. Therefore, so enjoy, I guess.
I'm the little bread. I escaped somehow. I'll go and come back with some help. You subscribed, right? Then only you'll release him. Okay then. See you.